Glendale Healthy Kids started in about 1994 as a collaborative effort between the 3 area hospitals and the City of Glendale and the Glendale Unified School District as a means to address the unmet health needs of the children of our community.
So Glendale Memorial Hospital and the Glendale Unified School District, also the Vertigo Hills Hospital and Glendale Adventist got together and decided to create a program which would help children.
There are a lot of children and families out there who may have medical coverage but no dental coverage, who may have emergency Medi-Cal but not regular Medi-Cal for regular care and follow-up and treatment. What's unique is that we do serve this group of the underinsured to help them get the full spectrum of healthcare services.
There are very few programs like this that provide care for children who fall into the gap of not having other means of securing medical care.
There are members of a low-income family that don't have access to health care. And these are the kids that we reach out to. And Glendale Healthy Kids has done a phenomenal job of reaching out to them medically and also educating them in a lot of health issues.
And it's amazing to think what a few people can do, what a handful of community groups can do when they work together for the same goal. It takes a real sense of optimism and it takes determination for a small group of people to solve a problem which is, seems to be baffling our national leaders.
The problem with uninsured in this country is not likely to go away anytime soon. Glendale Healthy Kids has a unique approach, unique way of reaching children, helping them obtain access to medical, dental, vision, mental health services that, again, they would go without.
We don't feel that there is a single child that should have to go without health care.
I was recently laid off. I'm unemployed. I have very little money. My son here is 4. His name is Mark. Hi, Mark. Say hi.
Hi.
And my son developed an eye infection about 3 weeks ago. Very severe. It was bothering his eye. And it developed and it got bigger and bigger and he couldn't see very well. And my wife and I got nervous and they referred us to the Glendale Healthy Kids program. I was very nervous to walk into there. I felt intimidated due to the fact that I have no money. What if they ask for money? You know, I thought I was gonna have to fill out long forms or wait hours with my son there. But to my surprise, and I'm so thankful for it, that there was no long forms, there was no hours of waiting. We were there for 5 minutes and they already had an appointment for us an hour later after the 5-minute, just simple talk. It wasn't even an interview, nothing like that. It was just simple a talk. And they saw my son and they told me they could help me. And they had an appointment for us an hour later. And not only did they have an appointment with a real doctor, a good doctor, they gave us medication as well for his eyes. And it was at no cost. And they made me feel very nice, very good. They helped me, they actually helped. They didn't interrogate me, anything like that. And they were very nice to my son. And they helped us with his problem with his eye.
My name is Maria Trejo. I am Joshua's mom. Joshua has problem with his teeth, and I really looking for help. And one friend of mine told me about Glendale Healthy Kids, and really excited about try to find help for him. He has some issue in school because all the kids mention around his teeth, and in home too. We had some problem there, but as you see, these beautiful braces now, and he will be nicely smile. Need this opportunity for say thank you to Healthy Kids program. I really appreciate. It's very great program. It's helped me too much. Okay, and everybody there is kind person too.
Helping these children has been the most gratifying experience in the world for me. It's just, they're so innocent. When they're coming in here, they don't know what to expect. They're just so grateful to you.
There's no higher calling for people on earth than to help others. And what better group of people to help than children? Because they're impressionable, they're kind, they're loving, they're trusting, and I love to help kids, and I thought Glendale Healthy Kids would be a great place for me to be.
Being part of Glendale Healthy Kids, a nonprofit organization, always means that you're giving some part of your time, part of your services, as well as part of your heart, because it's all about giving and not getting something monetarily back, and that's the ultimate personal satisfaction in my part.
I think whoever is involved is a winner, because we do get something back, and that is really a positive reinforcement and emotional fulfillment, so to speak, of what we do. It's because it's all about helping our community, helping our children, the most impressionable members of our community, and also setting an example for them so in the future they could be, you know, helping others like we are helping them.
What I enjoy about Glendale Healthy Kids is knowing that I'm part of this community of caring people who are solving a crisis, a need that otherwise would go unmet.
I'm proud to be a part of Glendale Healthy Kids because it works. In our community, we have a small group of volunteers, a small staff. We have providers who donate their time. We have a school district who supports us. And in our area, we're able to fill the gap, which is no small thing. I'm really proud to be part of that.
Working for Glendale Healthy Kids is a very rewarding experience. Often when you have parents or families or children writing thank you notes, telling you how you've made a difference in their lives, it's a very fulfilling experience. It's not always that you get to work for an organization that makes such a big impact in children's lives.
I have a letter that I keep in my notebook. And whenever I'm reminded of why I want to be a part of Glendale Healthy Kids, why I volunteer my time, I take it out and I look at it. Now, this letter was from a young man who was treated at the USC Mobile Dental Clinic several years ago, and he's an adult now. And a couple of years ago he wrote and he said to us, "There is not a day that goes by that I am not thankful for all that you have done for me. I learned that there are people and organizations that care about kids like me. Your work and kindness not only saved my life, but it saved so many others." He felt like he was going to one of two places. One was Forest Lawn, and the other was prison. So it's a small thing to us when you think that just having good health could mean so much to a young person. But this was a young boy who had lost both of his parents. He just didn't think that there was anybody out there that could care for someone like him. So that's why I'm happy to be part of Glendale Healthy Kids, and I'm happy to do whatever I can as a volunteer, because I don't know how many other young people out there are going to benefit the way this young man did.